In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of fixing Wispr flow at startup to ensure the app runs smoothly as soon as you log in. Let's get started by opening the main flow dashboard where you can see your dictation history and general usage stats. To begin the configuration, I'll move my cursor down to the bottom left-hand corner of the sidebar and click on the settings gear icon. This opens up our main configuration menu, and while it defaults to the General tab, I need to navigate to the System category located in the left-hand menu. Once I'm in the System settings, I'll look at the very first option under App Settings, which is Launch App at Login, saving me from having to launch it manually every day. I'll take a moment here to make sure the toggle stays active and the system registers the change. Next, to verify the app's status or to troubleshoot if the startup process feels sluggish, I'll go down to the Windows taskbar and click on the search field. I'll select Task Manager from my list of recent apps to open the System Monitor. To find the specific process quickly without scrolling, I'll click into the search bar at the top of the Task Manager window and type in the word Wispr. As soon as Wispr Flow appears in the process list, I'll click on it to highlight the application. Finally, I'll navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on End Task to completely close the application, which allows me to perform a clean restart of the service. This simple workflow ensures your startup settings are properly optimized and shows you exactly how to reset the app if it ever stops responding during your login sequence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.